Deep within the world's forests, a majestic creature reigns. Bears, with their powerful presence, have captivated our imaginations for centuries. These awe-inspiring animals, symbols of strength and wilderness, hold a special place in our planet's biodiversity. From the icy Arctic to lush forests, bears thrive in a variety of habitats. Their adaptability and resilience make them a truly remarkable species, worthy of our admiration and protection. In this exploration, we journey into the world of bears. We'll uncover their secrets, marvel at their life cycle, and discover what makes these creatures so extraordinary. Join me as we celebrate the lords of the wild, the magnificent bears. Bears belong to the Ursidae family, a group of 8 unique species. Though diverse in size and habitat, all bears share common characteristics. Their stocky builds, powerful limbs and sharp claws make them formidable hunters and defenders. Unlike many mammals, bears are plantigrade walkers, meaning they walk on the soles of their feet like humans do. This gives them incredible balance and allows them to stand on their hind legs for a better view of their surroundings. Their thick fur coats, ranging in color from black to brown to white, provide insulation in harsh climates. And their keen sense of smell, far superior to our own, helps them locate food and navigate their environment. While their physical attributes are impressive, bears possess many lesser-known qualities that make them even more fascinating. Did you know that despite their size, some bears can run as fast as a horse, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour? Their intelligence is equally remarkable. Bears are skilled problem solvers, capable of learning and remembering complex tasks. They demonstrate impressive memory, often recalling food sources years later. Contrary to popular belief, not all bears are ferocious carnivores. While some, like the polar bear, are primarily meat eaters, others, such as the giant panda, have a diet almost exclusively consisting of bamboo. These are just a few of the surprising secrets that make bears such captivating creatures. The life of a bear begins with a journey of growth and transformation. After a gestation period of several months, a mother bear gives birth to her cubs in the den during the heart of winter. These tiny cubs, blind and hairless, are completely dependent on their mother for warmth and nourishment. Weighing no more than a pound, they represent the epitome of vulnerability in the harsh conditions outside. But within the safety of the den, a profound transformation begins. Nourished by their mother's rich milk, the cubs grow rapidly, their bodies developing the strength they'll need to survive in the wild. The first few months of a cub's life are a critical period of growth and learning. Within the den's protective embrace, they are nurtured by their mother's unwavering care and devotion. Her milk, rich in fat and nutrients, fuels their rapid development. As they grow stronger, their senses sharpen, and they begin to explore their limited world within the den. The cubs' playful interactions with each other and their mother foster essential social bonds and develop their motor skills. Through observation and imitation, the cubs begin to learn the ways of the bear world, preparing for the day they'll venture out into the wilderness alongside their mother. As spring approaches, the cubs, now larger and more active, eagerly await their first glimpse of the outside world. The den, which has been their cozy sanctuary during the harsh winter months, now feels confining. The promise of new adventures beckons them. Under the watchful eye of their mother, they emerge from the den, blinking in the sunlight, ready to embark on a new stage of life. The mother bear, ever vigilant, ensures their safety as they take their first tentative steps into the vast, unknown wilderness. The world outside the den is a sensory playground for the cubs. The forest is alive with sights, sounds, and smells that are completely new to them. Each rustling leaf, chirping bird, and flowing stream captures their attention. Every sight, sound, and smell is a new experience, met with boundless curiosity. They sniff the air, listen intently to the calls of other animals, and touch everything within reach, trying to understand their new environment. They mimic their mother's actions, learning to forage for food, identify dangers, and navigate their environment. The mother bear demonstrates how to find edible plants, dig for roots, and catch small prey, skills essential for their survival. Play remains an integral part of their education. Through play, they not only bond with their siblings, but also develop crucial survival skills. Through mock fights and chases, the cubs develop their physical abilities. These playful interactions help them build strength, agility, and coordination, preparing them for the challenges of adulthood. They practice hunting skills by stalking insects and pouncing on unsuspecting plants. These early attempts at hunting are vital practice for the real thing, teaching them patience, stealth, and precision. As they grow bolder, the cubs also learn to climb trees and swim in streams, expanding their range of experiences. Each new skill they acquire is a step towards independence, preparing them for the day when they will venture out on their own. With each passing day, the cubs grow bolder and more independent. They venture farther from the den, exploring the intricacies of their woodland home. The forest, once a mysterious expanse, gradually becomes familiar territory. Their mother, a patient and skilled teacher, guides them through the challenges of their new environment. She shows them which berries are safe to eat, where to find the tastiest grubs, and how to avoid potential danger. The bond between mother and cubs remains unbreakable during this critical learning phase. Her presence provides a sense of security, allowing the cubs to explore their world with confidence, knowing they are protected. As summer wanes and autumn approaches, a bittersweet transition takes place. The cubs, now nearly fully grown, sense a change in their mother's behavior. The time for them to venture out on their own is drawing near. The once inseparable bond begins to loosen as the mother bear prepares her offspring for independence. She becomes less tolerant of their playful antics, encouraging them to forage for food independently and hone their survival skills. Finally, the inevitable arrives. The mother bear, driven by instinct, will drive her cubs away, severing the once unbreakable tie. The young bears, now ready to face the world alone, will embark on their solitary journeys. The life of a bear revolves around the ebb and flow of the seasons. Each season brings its own set of challenges and opportunities, shaping the behavior and survival strategies of these magnificent creatures. Their activities, from foraging to mating to denning, are dictated by the availability of food and the changing weather patterns. In spring, as the snow melts and the forest awakens, bears emerge from their dens, hungry and ready to replenish their energy stores. Summer is a time of abundance. The forest is teeming with life and food sources are plentiful. Bears spend their long days consuming vast quantities of food, building up fat reserves for the lean months ahead. They gorge on salmon, berries, nuts, and insects, taking advantage of every available food source. This period of feasting is crucial for their survival. Berries, nuts, insects, and fish, they take advantage of every available food source. Each bite is a step towards ensuring they have enough energy to last through the winter. Fish, in particular, provide a rich source of protein and fat, essential for building the reserves they need. As autumn arrives and the days grow shorter, a sense of urgency takes hold. The forest begins to change and food becomes scarcer. Bears must consume enough food to sustain them through the long winter, when they'll enter a state of dormancy. They eat intensively, driven by an instinctual need to prepare for the months ahead. This period of hibernation, a marvel of physiological adaptation, allows them to conserve energy and survive the harshest months. During hibernation, their heart rate and metabolism slow down significantly, enabling them to live off their fat reserves until spring returns. Bears, despite their size and strength, are facing growing threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment is fragmenting their populations, making it difficult for them to find suitable mates and territories. Climate change is also having a significant impact on bear populations. Melting sea ice threatens the hunting grounds of polar bears, while changing weather patterns disrupt the availability of food sources for other bear species. It's our responsibility to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our ecological footprint, and advocating for responsible land management, we can help protect bears and the wild places they call home. As we've journeyed into the world of bears, we've uncovered their secrets, witnessed their life cycle, and marveled at their adaptability in various environments. From the dense forests to the icy tundras, bears have shown us their incredible ability to thrive. We've seen the tender moments between a mother bear and her cubs, and the sheer power of a bear catching fish from a stream. These experiences have given us a deeper appreciation for their vital role in our planet's ecosystems. Their strength, resilience, and intelligence serve as a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Bears are not just survivors, they are key players in maintaining the balance of their habitats. Let us remember that these majestic creatures are more than just symbols of wilderness. They are integral to the health of our environment. Their presence indicates a thriving ecosystem. They are sentient beings deserving of our respect and protection. Each bear has its own personality and plays a unique role in its community. By understanding and appreciating bears, we can all contribute to ensuring their survival for generations to come. Our actions today will determine the future of these magnificent creatures. We must advocate for the preservation of their natural habitats and support conservation efforts. Every small action counts, from reducing our carbon footprint to supporting wildlife organizations. I urge you to continue learning about bears and to support efforts to conserve these magnificent animals and their habitats. Educate others about the importance of bears and the challenges they face. Support local and global initiatives aimed at protecting bear populations and restoring their habitats. Volunteer, donate, or simply spread the word. The future of bears, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on it. Together we can make a difference and ensure that these incredible animals continue to roam our world. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.